Dude, I'm getting murdered by these fucking flies in the eye. I can't, I don't want to keep saying this, but I'm getting like peppered by just fucking, Ah! Ah! Stop! Oh shit, there's a concert right there. This trail is amazing, but you better be ready to take 10,000 gnats in your face, in your mouth, up your nose. You could literally have a dinner on gnats. Look at that view though. Geese! Doesn't anybody care? They left us. They left us. Saw a new trailer for the Nicolas Cage movie. Cuckoo! Cuckoo! Air out their armpits. And that would really be a travesty. Tragedy. I just mixed travesty and tragedy together.